if you want to enable and set up mobile hotspot on Nothing Phone 3, first of all, we need to go to settings, and then over here proceed to network and internet, and then go to hotspot and tethering. And over here you should be able to find Wi-Fi hotspot, which you can enable. However, if these options are disabled, then this is because the data saver might be enabled. So if you go back and open data saver, remember to turn it off. So after that, you can tap on this switcher in order to immediately turn on the Wi-Fi hotspot, and now other devices can connect to your hotspot. You can also tap on the option itself in order to go into the settings of hotspot. And over here we can find out the name of our device. Of course, we can, not device, but the hotspot, sorry. It includes the name of the device. You can of course customize it and name your Wi-Fi as you wish. If the Wi-Fi hotspot is enabled, if it's on, then you can also generate the QR code by tapping on this QR code icon. You can also find the password over here, but besides that, we can go to hotspot password in order to reveal the password, and if needed, you can also change it to something reasonably easier if you wish to. And besides that, we have the customizable speed and compatibility, so we can use up to 6 GHz of frequency, which is really good. And there is also the maximum amount of connections that we can have, which is 16 at most. And that's pretty much it. Of course, once you set everything up, you can just easily turn on and off as you wish. And besides that, there might also be an option that allows you to toggle the hotspot through quick settings. However, I'm not sure if it's actually added by default. So it might not be added, so let's also check by editing over here. And perhaps it is actually not added. So for some reason it's not here, or at least I cannot really find it. So unless it's this one, I think it's actually this one. Yeah, so okay, my bad. So we actually do have Wi-Fi hotspot over here, or mobile hotspot. So we can also go to quick settings in order to quickly turn it on or off over here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.